Hey friends, how are you? Welcome back to another video. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to insert a picture into a text box in Microsoft Word, create stylish and professional document designs. Text boxes are powerful layouts tool in Word, and ingesting an image inside them allows you to design posters, flyers, thumbnails and creative documents easily. Instead of placing images randomly on a page, this method lets you combine text and image inside a text box, making your design cleaner and easier to control. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I am go to my page, then go to the insert menu. At first create the text box, select the text box option and create a text box. Now I am draw this. Then we can see here a text box. You can write anything to this text box, like I am write hello friends, how are you? Otherwise you can write anything. Now you want to add the picture to this text box, select the text box, go to the format menu, then click the shape fill drop down menu, choose picture, then go to work file from your computer. Then I select a image from my file, click insert. We can see we insert a picture into text box easily. Now you can write another text easily. First text is hello friend, how are you? Now I am write I am fine and you. Now we can see I am writing to this text box easily, and I inserting the image. Then you resize the text box or move the text box anywhere. I hope you understand this process. This video has helped you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.